We always root for our IPL teams, but do we ever root for our city? Bangalore is one of the fastest moving cities in India. Our population has grown by 50% in the last 9 years, and our infrastructure just can't keep up with the pace. Our roads are overflowing or are permanently under construction. When it comes to water, we are at the mercy of private contractors. The cost of housing is skyrocketing, and this is no longer a garden city. It was ranked as one of the top 5 polluted cities in India. And the people of Bangalore do know that things are going really wrong.
Honestly, being Bombay is a better than because Bombay is more organized, infrastructure is better. Bangalore is not what it was in the past.
Ahmedabad is much cleaner. In fact, the other cities, I've been to Hyderabad for a while, I've lived elsewhere. This is quite polluted.
मंडे अच्छा है ना वो अदर से विलेज है ना इधर बेंगलुरु में पैसे देता ಕಾಸು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ತಗೋಬೇಕು.
Even due to the rapid growth, even the government can also can't handle the population. Okay. Due to the
they loot a lot.
Yeah,
ಕುಡಿಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಇದೇ ಥರ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಾವು ಈ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಅಂತ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಗಡ್ಕರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Bangalore is governed by the BBMP, which splits Bangalore into 198 wards. Corporators for these wards are elected every 5 years. The BBMP has reached a state of paralysis when it comes to planning and is stifled by nepotism and corruption. These issues are like heads of a hydra. The heads are many, but the source is the same. Rather than attack the consequences of misgovernance, we have to attack the source. Many of these issues are because of the callous nature of our politicians. They can willfully neglect their wards and only implement policies beneficial to them. Come the next elections, people forget the last 5 years gone by. Therefore, it's very important to measure what a corporator has done in his ward over the last 5 years. A ward can be measured by the various utilities provided by the government. A final score can be assigned to the ward based on the score of the various utilities. Scores for wards can be observed across time to see whether the corporator has made any improvements to the utilities. These ward scores can then be used to compute an overall score for the city so that Bangalore could be compared with other cities in India so that we could contrast and learn from them. Janagraha comes out with one such measure called the Ward Infrastructure Index, which measures the 198 wards across Bangalore. This is the first step to better governance. To stab the hydra in the heart and not in the head. A step closer to bringing more smiles to the citizens of Bangalore.